Hey you guys, so today we're going to try out some new makeup, Covergirl's Full Spectrum Collection. So, my brows are done, but that's because there are no new brow products. It's more on the eyes, the lips, and face that we're focusing on with this collection. But yeah, without any further ado, let's try out some new makeup. Got the hair out the face. Hopefully I don't look too funny. Now, let's go in with the eyeshadow. So I gotta confess to you guys, I did already try out their full spectrum eyeshadow palettes. This one's Reverence. This one. This one's called Reverence. And then this one is called Posh/Chic. I didn't realize it had two names. Or maybe they both mean the same thing. I don't know. But Posh/Chic. So I've already played around with this one, Reverence. So maybe today we'll play around with this one. So let's start out with the eyes, since again the brows are already done. So off camera I did prime the lids, and now I'm gonna take this lighter shade and just pack it all over my lids just to kind of mattify my eye space. You know, we want a good base for the eyeshadow so it can blend. Sorry guys, they're doing like construction in my building today. So if you guys hear any of that noise, I apologize. Alright, now let's go in with the crease shade. What should we use for the crease? Ooh, I'm eyeing this mauve tone right there. I cannot see what I'm doing right now. Hold up, let me move this mirror. There we go. So much better. I want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing. Oh, that's a pretty shade. Oh, y'all know I live for these tones. Oh my gosh. I could just like put this all over the lids and be good. I'm gonna use at least 2 more eyeshadows though. But wow, yeah. This is good. Pretty! Now let's do this one. Wow. This eyeshadow is pigmented. I want to add another color to the crease. I might be taking a risk here, but let's go in with this lighter brown shade. And just adding it, not exactly where I placed the other eyeshadow, just a little bit lower. They just started drilling. Okay, we're gonna keep on moving. Alright, so I want to take one of these shimmery shades, it's between these two, and put it all over my lid. Should we do a pinkish shade or more bronzy-esque? I don't know. Maybe let's try out this one. I'm just gonna pack it all over the lids. Oh, that's pretty. Oh yeah. I think this definitely pulled the eye look together. Now I want to deepen up the V just a little bit with this dark purple. This dark purplish shade. And just kind of pack it on. Now I want to take the darkest shade in this palette. It's this dark shimmery brown, and I'm just going to line right above my lash line before I apply on mascara. I feel like this technique definitely helps make your lashes look a lot more voluminous. I told you, they're doing something over there. So before we move on to mascara, I want to notate the eyeshadows are very pigmented, very easy to blend, and there's not a lot of fallout, you guys. Okay, I see you. So now I'm gonna take the CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara, you guys. This is good stuff. Let me show you. First, let's take a look at the wand. Guys, does it remind you of a mascara that we all love? Just gonna say that. And of course I'm gonna use the waterproof one. Of course. Alright, so first I'm going to curl my lashes. My God, has that hair been in my face the whole time? Okay, so now let's apply on this amazing magical mascara. I already know this because I have tried it a couple of times, if not more. You guys know, or if you're new to this channel, hi, hello, I love mascara. And mascara is something I wear almost every single day or whenever I apply on makeup, because I do not wear falsies on a daily basis. And there we go, you guys, the Exhibitionist mascara. I love, like, I love. My lashes look so long, so voluminous. It grabbed every single lash with ease. Y'all, look at that. So now I'm gonna take the Defining Moment. It's an eyeliner pencil in the shade Blackest Black. And let's line. Ooh, wow. Wow. I did that with ease, you guys. I love the size of this because sometimes a lot of eyeliner pencils, they're so big, it kind of hurts when you line your waterline. But not with this one. Not with this one. Now, time to cover these bags with the All Day Brightening Concealer. And I got the shade, it was like medium tan golden. I'll list the shade right here, but yeah. Let's try out their new brightening concealer. I love that this had a golden undertone because I feel like that's me. I'm curious to see what type of coverage this offers. If you want to know what the applicator looks like, just your typical concealer wand. Now let's blend it in. Uh-oh, is this too dark? Uh-oh. Maybe I'll mix it with a lighter shade. I don't know, we'll see. I just blend it out first. Alright, I think your girl lost her tan. She is in denial. She lost her tan. That's okay though. Now I'm gonna take the light medium neutral shade. I'm ready for, oh yeah, that's a lot better. I need summer to be like tomorrow. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. I should have used that from the get-go. Concealer is on. Now we're gonna go back in with the Posh Chic palette and add some shadow to my bottom lash line. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna take this shade, the darker purple, medium purple. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna blend it out with this light purplish mauve shade. There we go. Now we can add mascara to the lashes. Gonna take the Exhibitionist mascara again. I might have to do this off camera, y'all.
A few moments later.
I'm trying to stay calm, but look. Okay, the key is to let it dry and then wipe it off with a little cotton swab, so I'm gonna pray and hopefully that works. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with the palette and I actually wanna add some shimmer to my inner corners. So now I'm gonna take this champagne shade and add it to my inner corner. Just add some brightness in there. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, so now let's add something to the face. We're looking a little bare. So now I'm gonna take the Sculpt Expert Versatile Cheek Palette. And I'm gonna take this dark brown shade. Let me open it up so you guys can actually see which one I'm talking about. This one. And contour my cheeks. Also maybe use it as a bronzer. I feel like we had another bronzy shade. Maybe not. So yeah, we're gonna use this one. We're gonna look like a fish for a second. Wow, that is warm. It blends some. That's good. Place it And then blend it. Chisel out those cheeks. Add some to my forehead. Not too much though, because I do have a small forehead. Let's take out this double chin. Not today. Not today. Ooh, should we contour the nose? Just a little bit. Alright guys, yeah, this is very easy to blend. Update you guys, it came off! Yay! We are saved! Now I want to add some blush, and I'm eyeing these two shades. I think these are also called, yep, the Sculpt Expert palettes. And yeah, I'm eyeing this rosy pink or this light peach shade. Maybe we'll do the rosy pink, and then if we have to, we'll neutralize it with the peach shade. Maybe we'll do that. You guys, that's really pretty. It is shimmery, so we'll see. Will it make me glow? Ooh, just remember, we can blend it out. Wow, very glowy. This blush is very pigmented. But you guys also remember, blush is the first makeup product on your face to disappear. Don't know why, but it says bye. So we got a couple palettes to choose from. What glow shall we do? Oh, this was upside down. My bad, my bad. So maybe we'll do this one because I did try it already and it was nice. We're gonna take the Sculpt Expert Versatile Cheek Palette. What's the name of this one? Bronze Flame. Ooh, Bronze Flame. And we're gonna take the center shade. This one. Ooh, let's glow. Oh my gosh. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Put a little bit on the nose. Wow. 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 That glow is something else, y'all. So now, we need something to our lips. So I'm going to take the new Color Idol Satin Lipstick. I don't know which shade should I try. We got these three to pick from. Let's actually open all three and just like look at them. And from there we can decide. Ooh, that's a pretty shade. And this is marooned. Then we have Charms, which looks like it's this purplish shade. These smell really good. Is that weird for me to say? And last but not least, we have Prodigy. Oh, yeah, I am. No, I'm just kidding. Look at that. Oh, wow. That's pretty. Alright, you guys. It's kind of between Marooned and Prodigy. Do we want a dark, vampy look? Or do we want a very neutral look? Maybe we'll try out this one. And depending on how it looks, Prodigy, we might switch over to Marooned. Wow. Oh my gosh. So silky. Wow. Look at that. That is pretty. It's a very neutral shade, but at the same time, it's like super glam. Because of the satin finish, like what's in here? It's like some little tiny specks of glitter. You guys see that? Should we stick with this lip? Or should we try out Marooned? Guys, this is really pretty. If you guys want a super glowy look, you already know. I think just because I'm kind of curious, we'll try Marooned. Let's just see how she looks on. And here's what Marooned looks like on me. I like both lips with the look. If you want to go a little risque, get Marooned. If you want to be very neutral, get Prodigy. Oh my god, let's take the hair down. Let's look a little more nice. For some reason, I feel like Kourtney Kardashian with this lip. You guys, that glow is something else. She came to play. And I feel like I've been sleeping on their lipstick. Like, these are really good formulas. They glide it on with ease. I mean, I wish I did have a lip liner for maroon, just because this is a darker color. And you guys know how darker lipsticks are. Kind of hard to apply because you can definitely tell when you mess up. Well, here's the final look that I created with the new Covergirl Full Spectrum Collection. What do you guys think? I really like it. Oh my god, Covergirl. Okay. If you guys didn't know, this is a cruelty-free line 2. We are saving animals, people. The only thing I wish they came out with was some brow products or powder. Like setting powder. Oh, that would have been fire. If you guys want to purchase any of these products, I'll link it all down below in my description box, so it's definitely just a click away. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give your girl a thumbs up if you did. Also, if you guys want to see more of this face, don't forget to press the subscribe button down below. It's red. Join the family, become a bestie, and turn that notification bell on so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!